Hello, we want to introduce you to our mobile assembly table. It is a mobile assembly table, so where you have onboard power, we have actuators that can lift and lower the actual table, and we have actuators that can rotate the top to 90 degrees or flat. We have controls right here for the lift and lower, so we can raise the entire unit, and we can rotate the top for assembly operations. So this particular table is designed as a wiring table for large electrical cabinets. So we would build the cabinet in this orientation and then rotate it up to say 45 degrees or 90 degrees. We have memory positions right here in the settings. We can have some presets programmed. This is going to roll to about 45 degrees. And we can do some wiring assembly inside the box that way, or we can continue rotating it around to where it's more 90 degrees. And then from here, this whole table can lift and lower, again, to meet the ergonomic spec of the individual person and where they're working in the particular cabinet. Like I said, this is a mobile assembly cart, so this can go anywhere in the shop under its own power. We have a power generation battery right here with 800 watts output, and at max load at 500 pounds, this is only really drawing about 350 watts when it's doing the raise and lower and rotation. So like I said, this is designed for 500 pounds out here on the front. We've actually tested it. We have some videos with that, with 500 pounds of steel tube sitting on it, going through the motions of lifting and lowering, and then moving around. These are ESD casters. 500 pounds on it was no problem moving that around the assembly shop. So if you're interested, give us a shout and we can design something custom for you.